Stop scrolling. This is the video that could change everything for you. Are you tired of struggling to make money online, wondering if affiliate marketing is just another scam? Skeptical about programs that promise financial freedom but never deliver? Today I'm exposing the truth behind Simple Freedom Warriors and why it's not like anything you've ever seen before. Is Simple Freedom Warriors legit? We have instant pay, 50% commissions that sent directly to your processor. Whether Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, Zelle, etc., we have you covered. We have real mentorship, no gatekeeping, no fluff, just actual strategies that work. They include step-by-step duplications so your team grows without effort. Stay with me because in the next few minutes I'm breaking everything down. Now smash that like button, subscribe, and comment what you like best in the video, and let's dive in. The power of the right mentor. Let me tell you something most people won't. If you're trying to make money online without the right mentor, you're already 10% behind the competition. And most people gatekeep the real strategy, keeping the best money-making methods to themselves. They share surface-level tips while secretly using advanced tactics to dominate the market. They sell information that should be freely available, forcing you to spend tons of money just to learn what actually works. But a real mentor, a real upline, does the opposite. They give you everything, the exact blueprint, the strategies, the inside methods and secrets that they use day in and day out. They want you to win because when you succeed, the team grows. You grow. They don't waste your time with bullshit and fluff. They focus on actionable, proven, real results. This is what separates failing affiliates from top earners. With this system, with Simple Freedom Warriors, you get a mentor that actually wants you to grow and succeed, sharing the step-by-step tactics, SEO strategies, team building hacks, and high-converting funnels that generate real, true income. And when you have the right mentor, making money online becomes 100 times easier. Don't settle for gatekeeping gurus. Get a mentor who actually shares everything. Now, this is my story and why you should listen to me. 7 or 9 I've been exactly where you are. I know the struggle trying program after program only to hit roadblock after roadblock. And I thought it was good. So did my wife. We wasted thousands of dollars on courses, coaches, and systems that never delivered or rarely delivered. We spent months stuck in beginning mode with no mentorship and no real plan. I was overwhelmed. She was overwhelmed, lost, and wondering if online income was just a pipe dream. Then everything changed. She got hurt, and I knew I really needed to find a real mentor and a real system that really, really worked. It changed the game. She was hit by a car going over 45 miles an hour as she just finished the night shift at her job. She had severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with blood clot in her brain. And as you can see, GoFundMe, not the answer for her. $445 raised so far in over 6 months, closer to 7 months. Now, I'm not asking for help. I'm trying to show you that life happens. You think you're good, and boom, something happens. Your car breaks down. You lose your job. You have an accident. Your tire blows. Something happens. Your radiator is gone. You know. You get some bad gas. Life is gonna life. And who really wants to be working until they're 70 or 75, trying to if you can't make it work with 100% of your income, how are you going to do it when you're making 40% in retirement? Really, real talk. So now I found the right system, I found the right mentor, and I found Simple Freedom Warriors, a system built on real mentorship, instant pay, and team duplication. I'm following the blueprint. I optimize my content. I'm putting out the videos like they're supposed to. I'm ranking on YouTube every single video, and I've started seeing real results fast. Now instead of struggling, I'm helping others achieve financial freedom too. This is your chance. Follow my path, our path, get mentorship, and start making money online without guesswork. Okay? Now, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and let's keep going. So I'm going to show you that I help my team and I'm being a success and why you should listen to me. So congratulations, you just earned $50 Spark Matrix Cycle commission. You've unlocked a new Spark training module, and another Matrix position will be processed shortly. A thank you affiliate banner. And this is what that looks like. As you can see, sponsor, John Solly, John Solly, John Solly, John Solly, John Solly, John Solly. These are 6 people that got started. Congratulations to them, by the way, for trusting me and plugging it into the system. And then there's a 7th member on the new board, Frank Langston. Now notice Cheryl, Hannah, and Bobby Nation, my first 2. Look what happened with them. Each of them got a sponsor from me, passed up. I'm helping my team, right? And remember Bobby Nation, right? Kaya Edwards and Vincenzo. The smart person will get in one of these 2 positions because look what happens. That's where Cheryl and Bobby were, and that's where Brett is. But there's an open position here. But this isn't about affiliate mentor. It's about the fact that I help my team. And how Simple Warriors pays you instantly. And how that's a game changer. Starting with $7. And how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours and less. Okay? This is the fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help you make money before you start spending money. Sound fair? Plug into the system. This will be done for your link once you get started. Take action. This link is for beginners who do not have their branded funnel set up yet. Am I telling you have to start at $7? No, I'm not. But if you had $7, you didn't have anything else, would you get a cup of coffee, like a Venti Frappuccino at Starbucks for $7? You can't buy breakfast. You can't buy lunch. Maybe you could buy a sandwich or something. What would you do? Or would you start an online business for $7 and you're good? You could upgrade out of, without a house money. Get your 2 sales. Then you have 50% commissions, right? And then you have your next sale, you're playing with house money. You ever been to a casino? Now you're playing with, you just hit a $50 jackpot. You're playing with the $50. Not your money, their money. So you take your money out, and now you're playing with house money, right? Now, step 1, instant payments. No waiting for commissions. This is direct pay instantly to you. You get 50% commissions paid directly to your processors of your choice. Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dodge, Zelle, whatever you want to get paid, you can get paid with this system. No middleman. You get paid immediately when a sale is made, automatically or automatically. Built-in duplication for passive growth. Most programs leave you struggling. Simple Freedom Warriors trains your team for you. Light bulb should be going off in your head. Your success grows effortlessly as new people get plugged into this very system. And what do you get for $7? A ton, right? So this is a build phase. New member rotation, disclaimer training, set up LLC, how to start marketing, set up Facebook, set up Instagram, set up YouTube, set up LinkedIn, set up X, set up Pinterest, set up branded funnel, test your funnel, set up SFW affiliate funnel to earn 50%. This seems like a lot, right? But we make it simple. We put a little video in here and you can reach out to the trainer too. We show you exactly how to do things, copy and paste, simple. We did all the guesswork for you, okay? You'll learn SEO, YouTube ranking, email marketing, social media strategies, everything you need to win every single day as long as you stay consistent. This system works. I personally got 7 signups I showed you in about 10 days. 2 of my favorite team members made their first sales fast. We have people ranking, getting views, and making commissions thanks to this training. Now, what do you get? Step-by-step YouTube ranking strategy, SEO hacks to dominate Google and YouTube, high converting templates for affiliate marketing success. We could set you up with your own funnel when you have $50, okay? Again, you don't have to have that. You can get started with the $7 tour and get paid no matter what, okay? And this bonus applies to your team too, meaning you can create massive duplication effortlessly. Just follow the system. And I want to show you how these actual rankings work. We're going to look for affiliate mentor compensation plan. And as you can see, I'm not logged in, okay? These are the exact results that you would research yourself. And I'm only going to tell you the team members on our team. Michael De La Cruz, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's Justin. And here's another member that just started about 2 weeks ago, okay? Brian, Postcard Lifestyle. Make money online with JJ. That's me. Postcard Lifestyle. Here's another. Make Money On with JJ. Here's another member. Karen Morrow. Fan Chone. Another member. Make Money On with JJ. Make Money On with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money Online with JJ. And notice some of these aren't even compensation plan in the title. Look. Spark Review 2025. Affiliate Mentor 2025. See, the more videos you put out, the easier it is to rank for other terms, okay? Every time you're creating exponential growth. It's like the Borg. You ever watch Star Trek Next Generation? The Borg. You're simulating YouTube, okay? Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Getting channel authority. That's what it's about. We teach you exactly how to do this easily. Postcard Lifestyle. Just plug it into the system. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Fan Chone. Here's another one. Here's another. Siam Hamid. Another one. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money On JJ. We are dominating YouTube. You can too. So Affiliate Mentor Comp Plan. Sorry, let me exit this drawing mode. Sorry. Hopefully it loads. Okay. I'm only going to tell you our team. Make Money On with JJ. Brian, Fanchone, JT. 4 out of 5 shorts are recommended from our team. Postcard Lifestyle. I tell you, we are dominating YouTube. Michael De La Cruz. I'm not just telling you, I'm proving it. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. Another Postcard Lifestyle. Another Make Money On with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Make Money Online with JJ. Fan Chone. Are you seeing the power of this Postcard Lifestyle? You should be. There should be a light bulb going off your head because we plug into the system, get paid instant commissions, plug your teammates into this system when they start reaching out to you, and you're good. It doesn't matter what you want to promote. Whether it's Simple Freedom Warriors or it's another system, it doesn't matter. Plug in and use our training and dominate, okay? Stop hesitating. Start for $7. There's no risk. You can't even buy breakfast or lunch for that. You can buy what? A cappuccino, frappuccino, or venti latte at Starbucks. Earn up to $1,500 instant commissions. Upgrade as you continue to progress through the system, okay? Start with $7 or get in where you fit in, okay? 50% on whatever level you are paid directly to your processor. Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, Zelle, Ethereum, etc. We got you. Build a real field business that grows without guesswork, okay? This is the system that you need. Okay, look at this buy lubrication formula. We have low, mid, and high ticket items, okay? This is $3,000. You can pay $1,500 if you're at this level, okay? So let's recap. Is Simple Freedom Warriors legit? Hell fucking yeah, because it's built on instant pay, real mentorship, and proven team duplication. Step-by-step training and built-in duplication so your business grows automatically, okay? Look. How to potentially get your first SFW in 24 hours less. Follow the steps exactly to the letter. You might get your first sale, 2 sales break even. We cannot guarantee results, but this is the fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help you make money before you start spending money. Instant payouts to whatever system. Now here's what you need to do. Again, smash that like button. It helps more people find this video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another game-changing affiliate strategy. Drop a comment below. Tell me your thoughts, questions, or wins in affiliate marketing. Most important, click the link in the description and join now. Don't wait. This is your chance. This is your moment. This is John Solid, a.k.a. JJ Solid, a.k.a. your friend and neighborhood Simon. Don't delay. Get with Jay today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!